How to reset Hinge account step by step. To reset your Hinge account, first things first, you simply have to launch the Hinge application onto your device. However, Hinge is not yet available within my country, so I cannot use it, but you simply have to follow these steps. Once you launch the application, all you have to do is proceed to permanently delete your old account, because first things first, once you launch the application, all you have to do is now go ahead and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the settings icon, and then scroll down to the absolute bottom and tap delete account. Once you do this, follow the on-screen prompts and select a reason for leaving and confirm the permanent deletion. Once you do this, all you have to do is now go ahead and then proceed to create a new profile. Simply choose your sign-in method. You can use your same phone number and then upload new content, write fresh prompts, and there you go. This is how you can reset your Hinge account. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.